Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have a Dimple lock, just a Dimple Mortice cylinder. Only 5 pins it seems. Got some the anti-drill, not trap pins here. These are just anti-drill bars of hardened steel which go down here, so I guess that protects the pins. But otherwise, yeah, not too remarkable. There is the key. I've not heard of the brand Keyways before. The bitting on this is, I mean, it's okay. That very deep set there, you've got a medium set there, and all the rest are very low. So I guess you might be at risk of oversetting some of those low set pins if you don't have a thin enough dimple flag. Other than that, yeah, let's just see what's got inside it. Might have some security pins in, dimple locks often do, but I don't know for sure. Never heard of Keyways before. It's my first time picking one. Oh, and I have to say this was lent to me by my good friend Yukov, so thank you, Yukov, for that. So here we are, all viced up. There is that key. Check it all works smoothly. Yeah, it's all fine. A bit of drag on the key, but that's okay. This is just a Chinese dimple pick honest dong shi. I've rounded the shank off. It's a left-hand flag with a chisel tip. Lots of heavy modification, but only takes you probably 20 minutes with some wet and dry paper and some files. So anyway, let's go to the back. Let's see what we feel. Feels like pin 5. I'll click pin 4. 3s we just pull back through. There you go. 2, 2 and 1. Oh, and open. Wow, that actually picked back to front perfectly. No weird pins in there, just all standards it feels like. So yeah, I mean the only thing is that it felt more like picking a pin tumbler, because quite often dimple locks are mounted down, but this I was lifting the pins, so it's quite intuitive. Let's see if we can't get this gutted. Got an E-clip on here, so I'm going to try and use this to... Oh, I'll lock the lock back up for a start. There we go, which would make the circlip removal a tiny bit easier. There we go. Then we can just poke it off. Oh, cover it with my thumb to make sure it doesn't ping across the room. There we go. Lovely job. Key. Need the key. Probably a shim because I can. If you can, you should with shims all the time. I think I can. Wow, no, no, I can. I can slip one in. There we go. That should do. Get the follower. Doesn't matter which one, as long as it's solid. And just try to, there we go, follow that core out. Let's have a look at that. Not bad. A bit of room, but there it's not anywhere near as bad as I was expecting it to be. It's not hasn't got sunk holes or anything. It's shame it's only a 5 pinner, but sometimes you get this filed off on the top and it makes it a lot easier to pick. It means the tolerances of the pins and pinning don't have to be as good either. But no, these seem to be alright. All standard pins, quite good condition as well. Don't think this lock has ever been used. And then yeah, let's go back to front. All standard brass springs, standard, all brass standard pins, nice and short as well, which explains why it didn't take much effort to push them up. Yep, all standards, I'm afraid. I'll just bring that up so you can see it. So really unremarkable, very bog standard pinning here, just all standard brass key pins and driver pins. I mean, it's not bad. The tolerances in this lock weren't bad. It's not awful, but it's very low security. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching that. If you did, leave a like. If you've got a comment about this lock, leave one below. I read them all, reply to as many as I can. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. And I'll see you all next time.